Guys, with Shiba Inu's price soaring, with no end in sight, and a possible Robinhood listing being available very soon on their platform, we could have a lot to look forward to, and we've got a lot to discuss in today's video. I'll also be doing a technical analysis to see if cryptos are headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end of the video. What's up, guys? I'm Joel, and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate, as you've seen in my previous videos. Due to high demand, I now offer my buy and sell trade signals. And if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out. I let you guys know when I'm ready to buy and sell so that you guys can as well, or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals, because we've made a lot of money. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And if you love cryptocurrencies, smash that like button. Guys, I'm sure as you already know, when Elon Musk tweeted out saying that he didn't hold any SHIB, the price went down for SHIB. And if you put money in when I called out to do so on my Patreon, you would have already doubled your money since then. Guys, being the 11th cryptocurrency by market cap with over $25 billion being held in Shiba Inu, it's nearing the actual market cap of Dogecoin. It could very well be a legitimate competitor. Now, does this mean that you should move all your money from Doge on over to SHIB? Well, only under certain circumstances. If you've already made your desired profits on Dogecoin, you're ready to move your money out and move it on over to SHIB, guys, that's totally fine. Now, if you're still in the red on Doge, as I always say, never pull out before you reach your desired profits, and never sell for less than you bought in for. Otherwise, it generally spells disaster. A lot of institutions and big companies out there are still pouring a lot of money, billions of dollars, into Bitcoin because of the Bitcoin ETFs that are being released and have been released already. They're trying to make quick profits on Bitcoin so that in Q4 of their business, they won't be reporting a loss. Guys, because of a rumor going around social media, people are saying that Robinhood could list Shiba Inu on their platform by Monday. Guys, if on Monday they do allow you to purchase it on their exchange, imagine what the price of Shiba Inu could be. It could very well shed a 0 or 2 by then, which is massive. And of course, I'll be letting you guys know on my Patreon when is the perfect time to sell so that you can rake in your profits before it goes down again. Because of course, with every peak we must have a dip, and with every dip we must have a peak. So you got to be ready for that and vigilantly watching. You have to remember, when Robinhood listed Doge on their exchange, it bounced 600 to 800%. Guys, this is huge and could very well happen for Shiba Inu as well. However, Robinhood hasn't officially announced yet that they're going to be listing Shiba Inu. But when they do, you want to be positioned very well for when that does happen. And in my opinion, with all the hype surrounding the listing on social media, I believe that Robinhood would be pressured to do so. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. Because I have such a good relationship with Webull, if you deposit any amount, they'll give you 2 free stocks worth up to $2,300 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Guys, we've gone up over 100% recently simply because of the rumors, the hype, and the community surrounded around Shiba Inu. And for all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade signals regarding Shiba Inu, they didn't have to worry about when to buy and sell. They simply raked in their profits each and every time I put out a trade alert. Just like for the folks that bought in for Doge at 14 cents when I call it out and sold at 74 cents. Guys, not many people knew to do that, except for my patrons that were sure the proper trades to make. Timing the market is inevitably how day traders are successful. And the only way to do it properly is by knowing technical analysis as well as I do. Robinhood made most of their profits by allowing Dogecoin on their platform. They know the power of getting an online community that's surrounded around a certain cryptocurrency and allowing them to trade on their platform. And that's why I believe it's inevitable for them to allow for Shiba Inu to be traded on their platform here very soon. And guys, that's why I'm all in on Shiba Inu right now. Guys, for Shiba Inu to be pumping in the midst of this massive bull run is really important. The most bullish months of the year are October, November, December, and January. Guys, this is historically the same every single year. And that's how I know that Shiba Inu has so much more power and so much more pump behind it, which I do believe it will shed a zero here very soon. Guys, a huge article came out titled, Shiba flipping Doge with 160 million in smart money backing latest pump. The blockchain data shows. A new force is behind Shiba Inu's latest price surge. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are now officially going head to head. In other words, some of the top whales out there, also known and labeled as smart money, are now putting their money into Shiba Inu. Guys, that's how confident they are that it has much more growth to go. Also, despite China doubling down on its crypto trading ban, traders in East Asia are actually buying SHIB more than anyone right now. With a lot of people expecting for Robinhood to list Shiba Inu on their exchange on Monday, guess what? Through this weekend, this hype isn't going to die down. The price is only going to continue to go up. I'm watching the chart very closely throughout the day, waiting for small dips because, guys, we're not going to see that steep of a dips right now on this uptrend. But I'm still letting you guys know when you can still buy in so that you can reap these profits as we continue to go up. So you want to be ready for that with some cash on the side. Because, guys, when we take a look at these charts for Shiba Inu, we're not stopping anytime soon. Sure, we took a few breathers, very small breathers, simply because Elon Musk tweeted right here, and then a couple of others, but this is a massive swing to the upside. Higher than we've ever seen and incredibly steep, guys. We are continuing to go up with massive green candlesticks, so you want to be ready for that. Have some cash on the side to buy that dip when I call it out, and be ready to sell when I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell. So if you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly inexpensive and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's how you get my buy and sell trade signals. And if you don't already have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. And if you haven't already subscribed with the bell rung, be sure to do that so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.